To use Best Egg monthly payment, start by logging into your account on the Best Egg website or mobile app. Once you have accessed your account, navigate to the Payments section where you will find options to make a payment. Choose the payment method you prefer, which can be a bank account or debit card. Enter the payment amount, which can be the minimum payment due, the full balance, or any amount in between. Next, select the payment date, keeping in mind that payments are typically due on the same day each month. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. To set up automatic payments, go to the Payments section and click on the Automatic Payments option. Choose the payment method and the amount you want to pay each month. Then confirm your selection. It is essential to review your payment schedule regularly to ensure you are on track to pay off your loan. You can do this by logging into your account and viewing your payment history and upcoming payments. Best practices for using Best Egg monthly payment include making timely payments, paying more than the minimum payment when possible, and monitoring your account regularly. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your loan and make the most of the Best Egg monthly payment option. Additionally, consider using the Best Egg website or mobile app to access your account information, view your payment history, and make payments on the go. This will help you stay organized and in control of your finances. By taking advantage of the Best Egg monthly payment option and following these guidelines, you can simplify your loan repayment process and work towards achieving your financial goals.